Plant FAQs, Philodendron Mexicanum. Philodendron Mexicanum, unveiling the allure of the Mexican jungle vine. Hi, Ferb here. For a while now, the Philodendron Mexicanum, or the Mexican jungle vine as it's fondly called, has been a star in the houseplant world. Its captivating foliage and easygoing nature have stolen the hearts of many plant enthusiasts. Today, I'm here to answer all your burning questions about this stunning vining wonder. See more 623 species in genus Philodendron at monsteraholic.com. What makes the Philodendron Mexicanum so special? The Philodendron Mexicanum boasts a unique charm that sets it apart. Here's what makes it a desirable houseplant. Striking foliage. This beauty is all about the leaves. Imagine large, elongated, glossy green leaves that unfurl with maturity, developing a fascinating three-lobed form. The undersides boast a stunning magenta to maroon hue, adding another layer of visual interest. Air-purifying powerhouse. Not only is it gorgeous, but the Philodendron Mexicanum also acts as a natural air purifier. It helps remove common toxins like formaldehyde and benzene from your indoor environment, promoting cleaner air for you to breathe. Adaptable climber. This versatile plant thrives in two ways. You can grow it as a cascading vine, or provide support like a moss pole for it to climb. This allows you to personalize its growth pattern and add a vertical element to your space. Is the Philodendron Mexicanum easy to care for? Absolutely. This plant is known for its forgiving nature. Here's what you need to know. Light. The Philodendron Mexicanum prefers bright, indirect light. Avoid harsh, direct sunlight, which can scorch the leaves. East or north-facing windows are ideal. Watering. Aim for consistent moisture, but avoid soggy soil. Water deeply when the top inch of soil feels dry to the touch. Reduce watering frequency in cooler months. Humidity. While it tolerates average household humidity, it thrives with extra moisture in the air. Grouping plants together, using a pebble tray, or a humidifier can help create a more humid environment. Soil. A well-draining, airy potting mix is crucial. Opt for a mixture formulated for aeroids, or create your own by combining potting soil with perlite or orchid bark for optimal drainage. Fertilizing. During the growing season, spring and summer, a balanced liquid fertilizer diluted to half strength can be applied monthly. Withhold fertilizer in fall and winter. How big does the Philodendron Mexicanum get? The Philodendron Mexicanum is a slow to moderate grower. It can reach a mature height of around 6.5 to 7 feet, with leaves growing up to 2 feet long and 1 foot wide. Can I propagate my Philodendron Mexicanum? Yes, you can. Stem cuttings are the most common method. Take a healthy stem with at least one node and leaves. Plant it in a well-draining potting mix and keep it moist. New growth should emerge within a few weeks. What are some common problems with the Philodendron Mexicanum? Here are a few issues you might encounter. Brown leaves. This can be caused by underwatering, overwatering, or excessive light. Adjust your watering habits and move the plant to a location with suitable light conditions. Yellowing leaves. This could indicate overwatering or nutrient deficiency. Check the soil moisture and adjust your watering schedule. If underwatering isn't the culprit, consider a light feeding with a balanced fertilizer. Pests. Mealybugs and spider mites can be occasional visitors. Regularly inspect your plant and treat infestations promptly with insecticidal soap or neem oil. Final thoughts on the Philodendron Mexicanum. With its stunning looks, air-purifying abilities, and easygoing nature, the Philodendron Mexicanum is a fantastic addition to any plant collection. It's a conversation starter and a natural beauty that thrives with minimal care. So, if you're looking for a low-maintenance, captivating houseplant, look no further than the Philodendron Mexicanum.